number 20. We have completed part 1 necklace. So today we are going to learn part 2. But before learning part 2, we will learn page number 21 English workshop. So see on page number 21 there are some activities English workshop. So first, read each of the following sentences aloud and write who said it and to whom. Who said it and to whom? किसने किससे कहा? Okay. So A. Look, here is something for you. Mathilde's husband said to Mathilde. Okay. B. Why the dress you go to the theater in? Again, Mathilde's husband said to Mathilde. Okay. Or Madame Loisel's husband said to Madame Loisel. Okay. C. I would rather not go to the party. Correct. Mathilde said to her husband. And 4. Choose, my dear. Madame Forestier said to Mathilde. Who was Madame Forestier? Madame Forestier was the friend of Mathilde. Okay, so Madame Forestier said to Mathilde. E. You have nothing else? Mathilde said to her friend Madame Forestier. Mathilde said to Madame Forestier. Okay, F और G आप घर में कर सकते हो. अगली एक्टिविटी लेते हैं हम. Activity 2. Write a few lines about what Mathilde had and what she dreamed about. Okay, Mathilde had poor shabby house, but she dreamed about luxurious life. She dreamed about becoming rich. Okay, she dreamed about ornaments. She dreamed about rich dresses, money, etc. Okay, but she had poor shabby house and she had plain clothes. Okay, so she was very much poor. Then third sentence, write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Mathilde. Mathilde की जो ये actions है, उस actions के बारे में आप क्या सोचते हो, आपकी thinking क्या है, ये आपको आपके own words में लिखना है. जैसे कि first sentence A. Mathilde was beautiful and so she wanted to marry an aristocrat. Okay, Mathilde was beautiful and so she wanted to marry an aristocrat. Okay, it was a natural wish. Okay, this was natural wish. किसी भी लड़की को लगता है कि बहुत ही बड़े अमीर लड़की के साथ उसकी शादी होनी चाहिए. It was natural wish. Okay, but it was also childish. The thinking of Mathilde was also childish. Okay, because money is not everything. Okay, she should not think like like this, that she should marry to an aristocrat, means to a rich person. So it was a childish wish, but it was natural wish, you can say. Okay. Second, B. Mathilde was sad because she did not get any luxuries. Mathilde was sad because she did not get any luxuries. Okay, she was sad. Again, you can say this was natural, but this was for sympathy, or we will feel sympathy about her. Okay, but Mathilde should have realized her situation, realized her condition. उसकी जो condition है उसको realize करना चाहिए. She should accept her condition rather than she was sad. Rather becoming sad, she should accept her condition, her situation. Okay. C. Mathilde felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished. Okay. Mathilde felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished, means she was unable to accept the reality. It was impossible for Mathilde to accept the reality, you can say. So she should have accept again. She should accept the reality that she was poor. So it was her inability to accept her real condition, or it was her inability to accept the reality. Okay, now D, Mathilde wanted other people to envy her. Mathilde wanted other people to envy her. It was also natural, you can say. किसी को भी लगता है कि मैं इतनी अच्छी दिखूं या बनूं कि दूसरे लोग मुझसे jealous हो, envy हो. It was again, you can say, natural wish of Mathilde, but she should control on her emotion. She should not think like this. Okay, she should improve her condition, but she should not think like this that other people envy her. Okay, so she should control on this emotion. Next, E, Mathilde was happy to see the invitation. Mathilde was happy to see the invitation. So it was her natural reaction. It was her natural reaction. Okay, but after that she was disappointed, and that was not natural. Okay, when she became happy to see the invitation, it was her natural reaction, you can say. Okay, next, Mathilde wanted a new dress for herself. Mathilde wanted a new dress for herself. According to me, it was not natural wish, or it was not the correct thinking of Mathilde. She should not think like this. She should adjust the dress which she had. Okay? उसके पास जो ड्रेस था उसके साथ उसे एडजस्ट करना चाहिए था. She should not ask her husband to bring new dress, to purchase new dress for her. So it was not natural. Okay, it was not natural reaction, or it was not natural wish according to me. तो इस तरह से आपको आपके ओन वर्ड्स में एक या दो सेंटेंस में आपको मैथिल्ड के थॉट्स के बारे में आपका रिएक्शन लिखना है. यू हैव टू राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. ओके, उसके बाद एक्टिविटी 4. एक्टिविटी 4 क्या है? प्रिपेयर अ फॉर्मल इनविटेशन यूजिंग द फॉलोइंग फॉर्मेट. You have to prepare a formal invitation using the following format. जैसे कि फॉर्मेट आपको दिया है, उसमें फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स दिए हैं, वहां आपको आपके ओन वर्ड्स, ओन नेम डाल सकते हो आप. जैसे कि मिस्टर एंड मिसेस लॉयजल, ये लेसन का वर्ड है. मिस्टर एंड मिसेस कुलकर्णी, मिस्टर एंड मिसेस सावंत, ऐसे लिख सकते हो आप. Solicit the pleasure of your company on the occasion of birthday ceremony, wedding ceremony, okay, anniversary ceremony या हाउस वार्मिंग सेरेमनी. कोई भी सेरेमनी का नाम आप वहां लिख सकते हो. वेडिंग सेरेमनी, बर्थडे सेरेमनी, हाउस वार्मिंग सेरेमनी, एक्सेट्रा. ऑफ देयर डेट, ऑफ देयर मतलब घर लिख सकते हो, ऑफ देयर हाउस. ऑन डे एंड डेट भी लिख सकते हो. एंड वेन्यू मतलब प्लेस लिखना है और टाइम लिखना है. इस तरह से आप आपका जो इनविटेशन है वो इनविटेशन तैयार कर सकते हो. उसके बाद एक्टिविटी नंबर 5, रीड द फॉलोइंग. अभी द नेकलेस एंड एरर, ऑल दीज थिंग्स, अनदर वुमन, वन इवनिंग, हर हस्बैंड. In all these phrases we see some words used before the noun. In all these phrases we see some words used before the nouns. They specify or make it clear what noun we are talking about. Okay, these words specify about what noun we are talking about. मतलब ये जो words है, the, and, all, another, one, her, ये वर्ड्स उस स्पेसिफिक नाउन के बारे में हमें बताते हैं. जैसे कि द नेकलेस, नेकलेस क्या हो गया? नाउन. एंड एरर, एरर क्या हो गया? नाउन. और दीज थिंग्स, थिंग्स क्या हो गया? नाउन. अनदर वुमन, वुमन क्या हो गया? नाउन. वन इवनिंग, इवनिंग क्या है? नाउन. Her husband, husband क्या है? Noun. So all these words specify about noun. So these words that are used at the beginning of a noun phrase are known as determiners. आपको determiners ये टॉपिक हुआ है, you know determiners. So इन सभी वर्ड्स को, जो वर्ड्स नाउन को स्पेसिफाई करते हैं, नाउन के बारे में बताते हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं determiners. Okay, determiners include articles a and the, possessive pronouns my, our, your, her, etc. Demonstrative words like these, that, these, those. Quantifiers much, many, etc. Numerals etc. मतलब फर्स्ट, सेकंड या 1 2 आपको डिटरमाइनर्स हो गए, तो डिटरमाइनर्स में ये सब इंक्लूड होता है। कभी आर्टिकल आ सकता है, कभी डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव आ सकता है, या क्वांटिफायर आ सकता है। आपको देखना क्या है कि वो वर्ड उस नाउन को अगर स्पेसिफाई करता है, जैसे कि एन एरर, एन एरर में एन ने एरर को स्पेसिफाई किया, एन मतलब 1, इसीलिए एन हो गया डिटरमाइनर। वो आर्टिकल है लेकिन वो उस सेंटेंस का क्या हो गया, डिटरमाइनर एंड आर्टिकल आल्सो। उसके बाद 1 इवनिंग, अब 1 क्या है, 1 न्यूमेरिकल है और इवनिंग क्या है, नाउन है। तो इवनिंग को 1 ने स्पेसिफाई किया, इसीलिए 1 हो गया उस सेंटेंस का डिटरमाइनर। हर हस्बैंड, अब हर क्या है, हर ये है प्रोनाउन और हस्बैंड क्या है, नाउन, लेकिन हर ने हस्बैंड को स्पेसिफाई किया, इसीलिए हर हो गया सेंटेंस का डिटरमाइनर। ओके, सो पेज नंबर 21 की ऑल एक्टिविटीज हमने कंप्लीट की है और पेज नंबर 22 पे अब हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं पेज नंबर 22 पार्ट 2, द नेकलेस पार्ट 2, पेज नंबर 22. Okay, so see in the lesson, they look in the folds of her dress, in the folds of her cloak, in her pockets, everywhere. They looked. So आपको पता ही होगा कि लास्ट एंडिंग में क्या हुआ था, मैथिल्ड लॉस्ट हर डायमंड नेकलेस. Okay, at the end of the party, when they reached home, by ending the party, by finishing the party, when they reached home, Mathilde found that there was no necklace around her neck. She had lost diamond necklace. मैडम फॉरेस्टियर का डायमंड नेकलेस उसके हाथ से खो गया था। पार्टी में डायमंड नेकलेस था। There was diamond necklace around her neck in the party, but when they reached home and when she was trying in front of the mirror, जब वो मिरर के सामने खुद को ट्राई कर रही थी, देख रही थी, at that time she found that there was no necklace around her neck. यहाँ तक हमने पार्ट 1 में देखा था। अब पार्ट 2 शुरू हुआ तो सर्चिंग से स्टार्ट हुआ। They started searching. Mathilde and her husband started searching that diamond necklace. Okay, तो कहाँ उन्होंने देखा? They looked in the folds of her dress. Fold, जैसे हम ड्रेस को फोल्ड करते हैं ना, तो अभी वो फोल्ड में किधर मतलब गिरा है क्या, तो उस फोल्ड में उसने देखा, उन्होंने देखा। They looked in the folding of her dress, in the folds of her cloak. अब cloak क्या है? cloak का मीनिंग दिया है, देखो। cloak means a garment worn over other clothes. It has no sleeves and fastens at the neck. मतलब जैसे हम जैकेट पहनते हैं, जैकेट को स्लीव्स नहीं होते, तो वैसा एक गारमेंट, ओके, जो मैथिल्ड ने पहना था। तो उस गारमेंट में, उस क्लोक के फोल्ड में नेकलेस गिरा है क्या, या ड्रेस के फोल्डिंग में किधर नेकलेस गिरा है क्या? They started searching everywhere, in pockets. So they started searching everywhere in her clothes, in cloak, in pockets, everywhere, but they could not find it. Mathilde and her husband could not find the necklace. Are you sure you still had it on when you left the hall? He asked. Mathilde's husband asked, "Are you sure? Are you sure that you had a necklace when you left the hall?" जब तुम पार्टी से बाहर निकली तब तुम्हारे गले में नेकलेस था, इसके बारे में क्या तुम श्योर हो? Means he had a doubt that the necklace may be fallen into the party. So her husband asked her, "Yes, I touched it in the hall at the ministry." Mathilde said, Yes, I am damn sure that I had necklace in the party, and in the party I had touched in the hall of ministry. I had touched my necklace. But if you had lost it in the street, we would have heard it fall. Husband said, if you had lost it in the street, if the necklace had fallen in the street, we would have heard it fall. We would have heard the sound of falling of necklace. It must be in the cab. Okay, so husband thought that the necklace must be fallen into the cab. Yes, that is probably it. Did you take this number? So Matthew also agreed that the necklace must be fallen into the cab, and she said, did you take or did you notice the number of cab? Okay, so page number 22, that is probably it. Did you take his number? इस लाइन पर आके हम रुकते हैं, हमारा टाइम कंप्लीट हो गया है. Rest of the part we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.